There are over 3,500 species of mosquitoes on Earth. And right now, they're responsible for more human deaths than any other animal on the planet. But here's something the chemical companies don't want you to know. You can turn your backyard into a mosquito-free paradise using nothing but plants. No sprays, no chemicals, no toxic bug zappers that sound like a horror movie soundtrack. Just nature doing what nature does best. Today, I'm showing you 10 plants that mosquitoes absolutely hate, and how to use them to reclaim your outdoor space. Before we dive in, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how mosquitoes seem to find you no matter where you hide? That's because they can detect carbon dioxide from up to 100 feet away. They're literally heat-seeking missiles with wings. But here's the thing. Mosquitoes navigate using smell, and certain plants produce scents that completely jam their radar. It's like putting up a no vacancy sign for your entire yard. Now, I need to be honest with you. Just planting these isn't enough. You need to know where to plant them, which parts of the plant work best, and how to actually activate their mosquito-repelling powers. That's what we're covering today. And stick around until the end, because plant number 10 is something you probably already have in your kitchen, and it's one of the most effective on this list. All right, let's start with a crowd favorite. Number 1 is lavender. And yes, it's as beautiful as it is effective. Lavender produces linalool and camphor, 2 compounds that mosquitoes find absolutely repulsive. But here's what most people don't know. The plant needs full sun to produce enough of these oils. If you plant lavender in shade, you're basically growing expensive purple flowers that do nothing. Here's the pro tip. Plant lavender in containers near your patio doors, outdoor seating areas, or anywhere you spend time outside. When you brush against the leaves, you release the oils. That's when the magic happens. And bonus, you can cut the flowers, dry them, and make sachets for your bedroom. Mosquitoes hate it, but you'll sleep like a baby. The best varieties? English lavender and French lavender work equally well, though English lavender is hardier in colder climates. Number 2, Citronella Grass. And yes, this is where those citronella candles come from. But the plant is about 10 times more effective than the candle. This stuff grows like crazy. We're talking 5 to 6 feet tall in a single season. The oils are in the leaves, and unlike lavender, you actually need to crush or cut the leaves to release them. Here's what I do. I plant citronella grass in large pots around my deck. Every few days, I'll run my hand along the leaves or give them a quick trim. The scent fills the entire area, and mosquitoes won't come near. One warning though, citronella grass can be invasive in warm climates, so keep it in containers unless you want it taking over your yard. Trust me on this one. I learned that the hard way. And it's incredibly low maintenance. Water it when it's dry, give it full sun, and it'll thrive. This is a plant it and forget it kind of solution. Number 3, marigolds. These bright, cheerful flowers are like the bouncers of the plant world. Nothing unwanted gets past them. Marigolds contain pyrethrum, which is actually used in many commercial insect repellents. They don't just repel mosquitoes. They also keep aphids, whiteflies, and other pests away from your vegetables. Here's the strategy. Plant marigolds as borders around your garden beds or in pots near entryways. The scent creates an invisible barrier. I like to plant them near my tomatoes and peppers because they protect those plants while keeping mosquitoes away from me when I'm harvesting. The more pungent varieties work best. African marigolds and French marigolds are your top choices. And they're annuals, so you'll need to replant each year. But they're dirt cheap and easy to grow from seed. Number 4 might surprise you. Catnip. Studies have shown that catnip is actually 10 times more effective at repelling mosquitoes than DEET. Let that sink in. The stuff that makes your cat act like a lunatic is more powerful than the chemical in most bug sprays. The active compound is called nepetalactone, and it's so effective that researchers have tried to synthesize it for commercial products. But here's the catch. It's highly attractive to cats. So if you have outdoor cats or neighborhood strays, expect visitors. Plant catnip in areas where you want mosquito protection but don't mind some feline entertainment. And fun fact, you can make catnip tea from the leaves, which is calming for humans, so it repels mosquitoes and helps you relax. Win-win. Number 5, rosemary. This is my personal favorite because it pulls double duty: mosquito repellent and cooking herb. Rosemary thrives in hot, dry conditions and loves full sun. The woody scent is delightful to humans but overwhelming to mosquitoes. Plant it near your grill or outdoor kitchen, and you'll notice the difference immediately. Here's an insider trick. When you're grilling outside, throw a few sprigs of rosemary directly on the coals or grill. The smoke carries the oils and creates a mosquito-free zone around your entire cooking area. Plus, it adds flavor to whatever you're cooking. You can also make a simple mosquito spray by boiling rosemary in water, letting it cool, and putting it in a spray bottle. Spray it on your skin, your patio furniture, anywhere. It's completely natural and smells amazing. Number 6, basil. Yes, the same basil you put on pizza. But not all basil is created equal when it comes to mosquitoes. The most effective varieties are lemon basil and cinnamon basil. They contain higher concentrations of the volatile oils that mosquitoes hate. Regular sweet basil works too, just not quite as well. What makes basil unique is that you don't even need to crush the leaves. The plant naturally releases oils, especially on hot days, creating a protective aura around itself. Plant basil in pots near doorways and windows. Not only does it keep mosquitoes from entering your house, but you'll have fresh herbs all summer. I keep several pots right outside my back door. Convenient for cooking and effective for pest control. And here's something cool. Basil is super easy to propagate. Cut a stem, stick it in water, and you'll have roots in a week. Infinite basil. Infinite mosquito protection. Number 7, peppermint. This is the plant that will take over your entire yard if you're not careful. But in this case, that might not be a bad thing. Peppermint contains menthol, which mosquitoes absolutely despise. The scent is so strong that it masks the carbon dioxide you exhale, making you essentially invisible to them. Here's what you need to know. Always, and I mean always, plant peppermint in containers. It spreads through underground runners and will colonize your entire garden if given the chance. I made this mistake once. You can rub peppermint leaves directly on your skin as a natural repellent. It feels cooling, smells great, and works surprisingly well. You can also make peppermint tea, peppermint oil. This plant is incredibly versatile. Bonus, peppermint also repels ants, spiders, and even mice. It's basically a pest control Swiss Army knife. Number 8, lemon balm. This is peppermint's cousin, and it shares the same aggressive growth habit. So again, containers are your friend. Lemon balm has high levels of citronellol, the same compound in Citronella grass. When you crush the leaves, you get this incredible lemony scent that mosquitoes find intolerable. What I love about lemon balm is how forgiving it is. It tolerates partial shade, doesn't need much water once established, and grows like a weed. In fact, it is a weed in some places. Use the leaves to make tea, add them to salads, or just crush them and rub them on your skin. The plant literally keeps on giving all season long. Pro tip, plant lemon balm near your outdoor seating areas, but keep it trimmed. When it flowers, bees love it, which is great for your garden, but maybe not ideal for your mosquito-free zone. Number 9, garlic. And no, I'm not kidding. When garlic grows, it releases a lysine through its leaves into the surrounding air. Mosquitoes hate this smell so much that they'll avoid the area entirely. It's like putting up an invisible fence. Here's what's interesting. You don't need to plant massive amounts of garlic. Even a small border of garlic plants around your patio or garden creates a protective zone. And the best part? You get actual garlic at the end of the season. Plant it in the fall, let it grow through winter and spring, and harvest fresh garlic in summer, all while keeping mosquitoes at bay. Some people even make garlic spray by blending garlic cloves with water and spraying it around their yard. It works, but fair warning, your yard will smell like an Italian restaurant for a few hours. And finally, number 10, eucalyptus. Specifically, lemon eucalyptus. This is the heavy hitter. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has actually recommended oil of lemon eucalyptus as an effective mosquito repellent. It's one of the only plant-based repellents they recognize as comparable to DEET. Now, eucalyptus can grow into a massive tree, which isn't practical for most people. but you can keep it in a large pot and prune it regularly, treating it like a large shrub. It thrives in warm climates, but needs to be brought indoors in winter if you're in a colder zone. The scent is strong, fresh, and lemony. You can crush the leaves and rub them on your skin, or you can buy oil of lemon eucalyptus to use as a spray. Either way, mosquitoes won't come near you. What makes this plant special is that it's been scientifically proven. This isn't just folk wisdom. There are actual studies backing up its effectiveness. All right, before we wrap up, here are 3 bonus tips to maximize your mosquito-free zone. First, layer your plants. Don't just plant one type. Use multiple varieties around your space. This creates overlapping zones of protection and makes it almost impossible for mosquitoes to find a way in. Second, strategic placement matters. Put these plants near entry points, doors, windows, gates. Also focus on areas where you spend the most time outdoors: patios, decks, seating areas. Third, activate the oils. Most of these plants need to release their oils to work. Brush against them, trim them, crush a few leaves. Don't just plant them and forget them. There you have it. 10 plants that will transform your yard into a mosquito-free sanctuary. No chemicals needed. Just smart planting and a little bit of strategy. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural gardening tips. Drop a comment and let me know which plant you're most excited to try. And remember, mosquitoes might be tiny, but with the right plants, you're the one with all the power. Now get out there and reclaim your outdoor space. I'll see you in the next video on the top 25 companion plants to naturally get rid of pests.